Hey guys, what's up? This is Vic Manich. I'm going to show you my EDC or everyday carry. It's all in a small little backpack right there. Let's open it up, see what's in there. This is stuff I carry with me all the time. First off, you need a mask, for dust or whatever. Okay, put this right here. You always need toilet paper. You don't know when you're going to run out of toilet paper. A Rubik's Cube for when you're bored. Rope for emergencies or to build a shelter. Gloves. A first aid kit. Stuff you always need with you. Petroleum jelly. You never know when you might go to prison. And I have my RUGER P95 with me. And I always carry 2 clips with me all the time. Okay. And just in case I get in more trouble, I always have 2 boxes of ammo with me in the bag. See what else is in here. I always gotta have some emergency cash. Car keys. Always need car keys with you. Let's see. Wallet. Food. You always need food. Case. I always have a cell phone. That's my secondary phone. My primary phone. That's the backup to the secondary phone. And in case you need to make a call without it being traced, you need a prepaid phone, paper, and a pen. You always need an emergency candle with you. You need some sort of entertainment, so you have DSXL. You also need iPods, not iPods, but MP3 players with headphones in case you get bored. You always need to know what time it is, so you need a watch and a backup watch. You need something to carry water in case you need to make a fire. You need those. You always need safety glasses. Okay. You need sunglasses, and then you need backup sunglasses in case those break. Crazy glue in case anything breaks. A spatula to make food. You need a laptop, okay, just in case you get bored, anything. And these are the knives I carry with me all the time. This is a Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops. Another knife. Another knife. The other knife. And you have this one. It's a knife. And it has throwing stars in it in case you run out of bullets or anything. Always need a camera to take pictures in case of an emergency. Then you need a backup camera. Okay. An opener for beer bottles. Just need that. You move over here now. I always have this with me. An Xbox 360 with a controller. My Turtle Beaches headphones. And the Call of Duty game. That's what I have with me all the time. You always need a thermometer that works on both mouth or rectally. And clippers. Okay. You also need soap in case you have to shower or somewhere in a stream. A good beanie. Okay, and these are in case I get into trouble or something. You guys have to carry these around with you. And then I have a backup one for that one, which is this one here. And of course you have to have the backup for the backup, this one right here. Okay. You always have to carry bleach in case you need to get rid of blood stains or anything in case of an emergency. You need a highly visible coat just in case you're out, and it has to be weatherproof. That over there. You never know when you might need to do a tattoo, so you always carry a tattoo gun with you with the power source. And you can make ink from the pens. You always need a small hammer with you at all times. Some WD-40, you know, in case you need to fix something or get something loose. An extension cord to play the Xbox, of course, and to steal power. And then you need to carry this with you all the time too, to play the Xbox. Little portable TV. You need a mask in case you need to rob someone and make money. Okay. And you need more ammo. Okay, just in case. And all this you see here fits in that little backpack that I showed you guys. Thank you. If you have any comments or questions, or if you want to show me a video of your everyday carry, that's it. That's my everyday carry stuff. Thanks for watching.